Hey guys, so how I asked you guys before within the last week, I was going to start a trading challenge and I did start February 1st. So yesterday was my first day trading day and I really didn't get to show you guys the results, but I'm going to put this screenshot over here of my results. So I started my account with around $6,000 and this is just my testing account just to try it out and see how much money I can make with this account. So today's the second day. I recorded some of the plays I got into. So I got into DraftKings, Snapchat, Tesla, and Uber. The only play that was a little bit of expensive was the Tesla play. I ended up having a PL of $485 for the day. And I'm going to see how much money I can make on day trading this week specifically. And if you guys would like to see how I do for the rest of the month, too sure how many trading days we have, but we do have 28 days in this month, so it'll be a little bit shorter than usual. Right now I'm going to play in DKNG and we're going to see how that goes. So right now I'm recording it for you guys so you guys can see how I'm up and how this play goes basically. Right now I'm down $87. My third day I didn't get to record, which was Wednesday the 3rd of February 3rd. My second day and first day were very profitable. Third day though, I made a big mistake. I got into Kodak, which basically made me lose a big percentage of what I gained. So I was down this much. You know, I'll put the screenshot up there. That's my mistake. Tracks were switching like crazy and fluctuating their price, so I took a big loss on that. That was about a $900 loss. I'll put my P&L for that day.
Oh no! No!
What I'm trying to do is to see if I can at least break even for this week. Obviously, we still have the rest of February to see what I could do, but today we're at a green zone. At least we're up $365. I traded SPCE, Tesla, got into DraftKings, got out real quick. I got down on that. And Fubo, I'll put my screenshots there. But so far, so good. I wish I would have never messed up on that trade yesterday. I got into Kodak. So what I've learned obviously so far is definitely, I need to incorporate more risk management into these trades if I want to get this account at least to 10K, and that's the goal for this challenge. See if I could at least break green for the week or break even. So I'll update you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, and we'll see how this goes. Hey guys, so today was Friday, the last trading day of the week. And obviously you guys saw I had a big loss on Wednesday. That was Wednesday the 3rd. I had a $1,300 loss. Obviously it was my fault. I got in Kodak trade and it skyrocketed up. I bought the wrong contracts. They were fluctuating. I lost a lot of money. That day was terrible. So I did not record that day. My goal was this week to obviously stay profitable. Wednesday got really caught. And then after Wednesday, my thought process was, let me at least break even for this week. I'm still a beginner at trading, so I'm still learning a lot. Obviously, if I was a little bit more advanced, I don't think I would have ever let this catch up to me. But at the same time, I want to really be truthful with you guys and show you the exact process of this week. So I'm going to be recording this whole process throughout the month. Every week, I'm going to be showing my weekly process. So Friday, I had a $855 day. And then I also had Amazon puts, which was, I'm in a Discord chat that I followed that. And then Baidu was also from a Discord chat. I'm going to be posting my screenshots there. I was profitable $855 for the day. Then I got in another Tesla call, which I shouldn't have done. It was just my own theory. I was going to say, you know what, if it breaks 865, let me buy the 865 calls. I lost money on that, so I lost another $200 on that. So that made me $646 for the day. And you know, I just wanted to see what would happen. Obviously, after that $200 loss, that broke my, so I set a stop loss mentally in my head. I was like, you know, if it goes below this, I'm going to sell. And it did, and it kept cracking below that. So I calculated my 5 days, and what we came up with, I had a $125 day on Monday. Tuesday, I had a $485 day. Wednesday, I lost $1,343. Then Thursday, we had a 365 day and 82 cents. And Friday, we had a $646 day, which equals we got a $278.82 week, which isn't that bad. We're still in the green, thank God. So obviously, I am noting what my mistakes were, so don't really jump into hype. I was in a Discord chat, everybody's calling out Kodak, and I was like, yo, let me be a part of this, which is called FOMO, fear of missing out. I got in that. Contracts were really bad, they were fluctuating, and I lost them a lot. So obviously, what I've learned from that is that was my big red trade of the week. I'm going to be posting my screenshots and everything on the video. So please subscribe and comment and let me know what future challenges you guys would like to see. I would like to do more this month other than day trading, but I'm going to keep day trading for the rest of this month and documenting my journey to show you guys what I can actually do with day trading. Obviously, I would like to see how green we can get this month with starting with $6,000. Subscribe down below, follow me on Instagram. I'm going to leave all that link in the bio, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.
We're dreaming in the dark.